Could a simple blend of coffee, ginger, and spices be the game changer your nightly routine has been missing? Imagine sipping on a drink so simple, yet so potent, it could transform how you feel each morning. This unique blend brings together ancient ingredients like ginger and cinnamon with your favorite coffee, all in one glass, right before bed. Let's break down why this works, what each ingredient does, and how to make it yourself. Tonight, we're putting together a bedtime recipe that's gone viral for a reason. Coffee, ginger root, garlic, eggs, cinnamon powder, honey, and just a bit of water. It sounds unusual, but stay with me. Each ingredient serves a purpose, working together to support your body in ways you may not expect. This recipe is spreading for its simplicity and surprising benefits, so let's see how this comes together. The role of coffee and ginger. First up, coffee and ginger, two powerful ingredients, each bringing its unique strengths. Coffee isn't just a morning pick-me-up. When timed right, it can also give your metabolism a gentle nudge at night. But it's ginger that really sets this blend apart. Known for its warming effects and digestion support, ginger brings that comforting warmth and digestive boost that can make bedtime so much more relaxing. The combination, a synergy that works wonders on body and mind. The secret spice, cinnamon powder. Cinnamon isn't just a spice for sweets, it's packed with antioxidants that support healthy blood sugar and circulation. Adding a pinch of cinnamon gives this blend a rich, slightly sweet taste, balancing out the boldness of coffee and ginger. And it's not just flavor, cinnamon has been valued for centuries for helping balance energy and soothe the body after a long day. Now, imagine that soothing kick working its way through your system as you drift off to sleep. The unexpected twist, garlic and eggs. Yes, garlic and eggs. It may sound unusual, but garlic is renowned for its benefits to immune health, and eggs provide essential amino acids. Garlic can give the drink a unique kick, and the egg, blended well, adds a creamy texture without overpowering the flavor. Don't worry, when mixed right, you'll hardly notice the garlic. What you will notice is how these ingredients help fortify your body while you rest. The final touch, honey for balance. And finally, honey. Not only does honey add a natural sweetness, but it also provides antioxidants and supports healthy sleep patterns. One spoonful brings the whole drink together, making it smooth and satisfying. But don't be tempted to skip this. Honey rounds out the flavors while supporting relaxation, the perfect way to wrap up your day. So there you have it, a unique bedtime blend of coffee, ginger, cinnamon, garlic, egg, and honey that's unlike anything you've tried. Just one glass an hour before bed, and let this comforting drink do its magic. It's simple to make, yet loaded with benefits that make it feel like a warm hug right before sleep. Give this a try and share your experience in the comments, and while you're at it, let us know where you're watching from. We'd love to hear how this recipe works for you. And if you're looking to bring more surprising and effective health routines into your life, stay tuned for more. Remember, sometimes it's the simplest recipes that make the biggest difference. Thanks for watching.